she gonna talk about? What's she gonna talk about?
I don't know, just like bring her on stream to show that you're like a fully functioning bro with like a girlfriend. That brings more followers when you're a man. If you have a girlfriend.
I honestly wish you didn't see my face.
Oh. Welcome to Manic Money
Yeah, she
Finance.
said no. She said she's chilling right now.
Okay, I get it. We should probably do intros because we've been live for about 20 seconds.
Really?
Yeah, I was
Oh
already
man.
in the middle of doing the title and everything, and then I was
Good job on the intro.
welcome to Manic Money Finance.
Welcome to Manic Money Finance, y'all. This is Crypto Corey, and y'all already know who Manic Money Mike is, right? That's his real name, right? Manic Money Mike.
That's true. That's true.
Not just Money Mike. He just goes manic with his money.
This is true. We were trying to bring Corey's girlfriend on stream, because that way we have proof. But
Well, it's 8:30 at night, and we're just chilling.
oh, I get it.
So, and I'm sure on the East Coast, 10:30s.
Oh yeah, but
Really?
we ain't chilling, man. We got people's in the house right now. I don't know who's in the house. They're down there somewhere.
Yeah, she's got to work tomorrow.
Ooh,
The medical life.
is that why you guys aren't jumping this weekend?
No, they got a show going on, I guess, with like the professional jumpers, so everything's booked.
Oh, that's rough, dude. That makes a lot of
Yeah.
sense. Yeah, and anybody who doesn't know, Crypto Corey has been jumping out of a plane every weekend. Like how many jumps have you done in the past month? 20?
I got 10 right now.
That's freaking nuts, dude.
It's not a lot, but yeah, I gotta get 25 to get my license.
It's not a lot, but Corey, do you realize that 99.9% of people don't jump out of a plane, a perfectly good plane, every weekend?
It's fun. I mean, it's scary, but it's fun.
Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, we played that video on one of our streams. That just is so intense. I was talking about it with my sister today at dinner, and just like, yeah, no, it's like I'm good.
Yeah, you don't want to jump out of a plane?
I kind of do, but
Have you ever done a tandem?
me, negative,
Yeah.
negative.
Oh, you should do a tandem.
Yeah, every plane I've been
So you
on,
can get the feeling.
every plane I've been on has been a commercial airliner that's cruised at 30,000 plus feet. It's kind of hard to jump out of those,
That would be pretty crazy because we jump out at like 13.
13? Nice.
Yeah, you jump out at 13,000.
Very
It
nice.
only takes like less than a minute to get down to like we pull at 5. So it goes like pretty quick.
That's what you were saying. That's crazy, dude.
Yeah, time's like different up there. It's like
Is it sped up?
it goes so much faster. Yeah, it goes fast.
That makes sense. That makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and share our live stream. Get some eyes
Yeah,
on it.
that's what I was just doing.
Nice.
Getting that share out. Everybody, we got one person watching right now, and it's me.
Nice. Well, two. Me.
Yeah. So hit that like. Everybody watching, hit that like button right now. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got 2 likes.
One of those was not me.
Yeah. So. We only got 1 like. So. I mean, what a good week! Great week for crypto, right?
Right?
That was great.
Yeah, no,
This is great.
this definitely been a good week in general. I decided to kind of just go an over weekend thing in a stock, so I can just basically avoid having to think about it. Um, Actually, for people who don't know, because I already told Corey what I did, I showed the crypto charts, and I showed a particular stock chart to my sister, and I said, "Which one do I buy?" And she said, "Buy the stock." So I bought it in aftermarket today on Friday, and it's called Set It and Forget It. And I'll worry about it on Monday morning.
So you're using a time-based take profit.
Yeah, we'll go with
Your
that. We'll go with that. I mean, I was up 5%.
profit target.
I was up 5% today, and then my sister said buy more of that stock, so that's what I did.
Yeah, I mean, that's another thing that a lot of people don't know how to do, especially like novice traders. They don't know when to add to a winning trade when it's up, and that's actually very stressful to somebody who doesn't know what they're doing. So yeah, adding to a winning trade, that's a big thing to learn right there.
I would say it's
How do
actually.
I know when it's good to add?
I would say it's riskier than adding to a trade that's down.
Most most traders will add to a losing trade. That's a mistake when you're trading leverage at least. Spot trading, that's a different story. But if you're trading leverage and you start adding to a losing trade, I mean, just plan on losing more. That's all.
Yep. Oh yeah, man. It's one of those things. I've actually every single winning trade that I've added to in the past month has just been nothing but good. So I figured, you know what, I'm up 5%. It really will do nothing. And an Israeli cybersecurity stock that usually goes parabolic every time Israel does some crazy stuff.
You know? That's all it is, right?
What's under your right eye?
I hit myself with a crowbar in the face today. Sucked. I wanted to leave after that,
I thought
but
you got a teardrop tattoo, bro.
oh no. It's like we're rebuilding these construction equipment, like a bulldozer. And it's like the bushings where they have all the cylinders. We have to um, bore out those cylinders, and it's in tight space. And I was trying to pull the tool up like this, and it slipped, and it fucking smashed my face. It's like bleeding. It's actually, I thought it was gonna look way worse than it does.
Nice.
But
Hey.
yeah, yeah. What if this Friday felt like a Monday? That's how it was.
Hey, chicks dig scars. You know, nothing wrong
Right.
with that.
Yeah. Just hit yourself in the face with a crowbar.
Right, right. Give yourself a nice like scar. No one will ever know. Just tell them it was a tiger attack.
Dude, I was like, I mean, I had safety glasses on, but I almost thought I hit my eye. I was like, fuck. I was freaking out for a second. I was like, oh, my eye's watering up. And then look at my hand, it's like blood on my hand. I'm like, oh, crap.
So you're rocking the PPE?
Oh, yeah. I always, especially, I mean, the stuff I do.
Gotta rock that personal protective equipment, people. 100%.
Don't want to mess around with that.
Yep. Rock the ear
Yeah, I use
protection.
earplugs,
Yep.
all that. Yeah.
100%. Same. Like if I'm
I
rocking.
want to be able to hear my music.
Yeah. Yeah. If you're working a skill saw, pneumatic nailers, you need to have hearing protection.
I just put my headphones in and I'm listening to ICT all day. That's all I'm doing.
Wait. Did you say
Tapering.
Did you say ICP, Insane Clown Posse?
ICT.
Oh,
No,
okay. Your mentorship.
no. Yeah, he's the mentor of the mentors, right? Right. I mean, all of his stuff's out there. Full credit. I mean, everything I pretty much teach here is from ICT. He's my mentor.
It's on the interwebs.
Yeah, we're all trying to learn here. It's not like we're trying to like profit, But we appreciate donations if you're willing to put them out there. But we just want to help you learn and grow along with us, and we're really doing this to hold ourselves accountable as well. So it's not even about you guys either. I'm doing this
100%.
for me.
100%. Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm like you said, I am truly manic with my money, but
Oh, I'm like, so yeah. I mean, I should be getting a few grand within the next couple days once I get paid. I'm like, oh,
nice.
I gotta get a bank account rolled up and gotta be able to put a bunch of money into investing. Like I used to think about like, oh, what can I spend my money on? Like stupid crap. What can I spend my money on? When I get paid. Now I'm like, oh, I gotta put that into a stock account.
You don't have a bank account?
Not out here yet. No.
You can't use like your Connecticut one? Isn't that good like nationwide?
I mean, I don't know. I haven't seen a Webster. Not even in Durango.
Oh, that's right. Damn, dude.
Yeah, it's like East Coast.
Yeah, that's rough. That's rough. Out there,
And it is what it is.
well, out there, more people actually go to the bank, right? 'Cause, like here in Connecticut, nobody goes to the bank, like unless they're like trying to cash a check.
Well, more people pay cash out here. It's more old school, I would say.
Nice. That's cool. Getting back to your roots, the greenbacks.
Yeah. Well, I gotta figure out how to put my money into crypto. That's the only problem. I just been taking my accounts and slowly growing them. That's what I've been doing. No depositing, just paying myself. That's it.
Nice. What'd you do for dinner? Did you actually get to eat?
Oh, we went to Tequila's Mexican restaurant.
Oh, they just call it tequilas out there.
Tequilas, you know.
Oh, Bitcoin. Nice.
That's
Yeah,
it.
we should
No,
probably talk about stocks. Huh?
yeah, we should probably get into it. I think we got how many people watching? We
100,
got people watching.
178.
Nice. All right. So once again, we can always talk about this every stream. Why don't we just delete all the drawings,
I mean, that chart
right?
actually looks pretty good.
And yeah, let's go right down to it. And what do we see, right? That's a giant cup and handle. What we talk about in all the streams.
Would you call that a bull flag?
Well, really, a cup and handle is a bull flag. It's just a part of a bull flag, really, because right, that's the bull flag right there. But the cup and handle has a rounded bottom.
Nice.
That's what's different. It has that parabola curve,
I think it's pronounced
and right,
parabola.
parabola. Okay. And yeah, we got that target of 116,000, right? Everybody's calling for 100K. Everybody wants 100K, right?
Of course they do.
I would assume if we get to 100K, there's gonna be a lot of resistance there.
Well, yeah. Well, I wouldn't say everybody's calling for 100K. I'd say people who are going long at Bitcoin are saying 100K. Then there's the short sellers and the the just truly negative people who are going, it's gonna fail, it's going to zero.
The doomers.
Yeah.
Yeah, the doomers right now, like there's a lot of people on YouTube, like crypto YouTube. I ain't gonna mention names, but they're like, oh yeah, this is a lower low. We're making lower lows, and we're going down. But really, we zoom out. We're in the bull. We're in this cup and handle, and the cup and handle plays out so many. Bitcoin loves the cup and handle. I mean, what happened? It was last stream, right? We were talking about the cup and handle, right? It was the bottom. It's literally at the bottom of every of every bottom. Look for it. Don't even take my word for it. Go look for it. It's there's a cup and handle there.
I mean, I don't even
You want to find the bottom of the market? Yeah, it's a cup and handle. That's it.
Oh, I know.
So why don't we pull that up? Why don't we pull it up?
Oh boy.
We were just talking about this.
Oh damn.
I was eyeing this cup and handle this morning on Bitcoin, right? And it broke out. Doing beautiful, right? This is a little cup and handle. See it? Get all these indicators out of your way so I can really see this curve right here, and then it flags. It's like a flag right here. And really, what you're playing is a bull flag. It's a curved bottom bull flag. And you can literally measure the bull flag by taking the low, drawing a line to the high,
Hey, we're getting an echo
drawing your
because your
flag.
volume's coming through on your mic.
Oh, good looks. But yeah, that's all we needed to see. So, what happened? What happened with that cup and handle, right?
It turned into
Let
a
me go in
really
there.
big handle.
Once again, we called it, right? That's why you watch the stream.
You mean they don't watch the stream for my beautiful mustache?
Yeah, they might do that too, but see, look at that. Right to the target. Boom, right? You would have been paid.
Yeah, this is true.
We're literally showing you. You watch the show. We show you how to take the profits, right? It went a little past it, right? But how greedy you're gonna be, right? You think you're gonna catch 100% of the move 100% of the time? That's an unrealistic expectation of yourself. You set unrealistic expectations like that, you get yourself wrecked. I'm just ecstatic it hits my price target, right? If it goes a little further, who cares?
Free mustache.
I'll find another entry. I'll find another cup and handle. It doesn't matter if it's 3, 4, 5 days from now. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna wait till I find my model, right? And guess what? I know I'm gonna get paid. That easy.
Free mustache rides for anybody who bought Bitcoin.
Yeah, so I mean, what's going on now though, right? I mean, we're seeing this lower high. A lot of people are seeing this lower high,
Descending
lower high,
wedge.
lower high, lower high. So they're like, I'm gonna short this right now. How much you want to bet Bitcoin's going after the shorters right now? It's gonna go and wreck these people.
Well, I mean, short selling into a descending wedge is just a stupid after a cup like that. I mean, we're getting lower volume on Bitcoin the past couple of days, especially. So the fact that it's actually even to maintain these price levels is pretty good. Positive sign.
And everybody who's watching this in the future, I know there's not a lot of people watching right now, but to the students that are watching, right, the mid-range of the profile is the worst place to take a trade. And guess where we're at right now?
The mid-range of the profile.
Exactly, right?
I have a
It's
feeling
not
you're still going to
showing.
take a trade, though.
I have my long-term stuff. I took my profits, right? We talked about in the last stream. I took my profits on Aerodrome. I took my profits on meme coins. Took my profits on Brett last night.
Boom, bada bang.
I have some Soul, but I'm not risking a lot right now. All right. So what do we see? These main levels of this range.
Yes, there you go.
And look at where we're at right now. See, comes up, bounces there, and bounces there. And once it went below, right, now it's kind of
Look at those giant
at the
green candles,
midpoint of
too.
this range.
Those giant green candles, dude. Like, those are massive.
Which ones? Right here?
Every time it bounces back up, those huge green candles. It looks like whale
It
buys.
hits this bottom of the range, right?
Yeah.
And you can, there's multiple ranges here. Before this was the range. And then this widened the range. This one widened the range. Really took the stop losses of this flag right here. That's the hypothesis that we're going with right now, that this low that wiped out these stop losses was the low of the current bull market, hits the 786, and it's respecting it ever since. So, I mean, we're going to continue to run with that, right? And there's like a sloppy inverse head and shoulders there.
Sloppy.
It's like shoulder, you know, shoulder, head, right shoulder.
This is a sloppy.
It's kind
It's a
of,
sloppy head pattern.
it's weird, right? It's a sloppy head pattern, you know. But I mean, okay, so what is the inverse head and shoulders? Once again, it's a bull flag. What's the bull flag, right? It's this last leg or the last shoulder, right? Same thing as the cup and handle. But in that pattern, you'll find that there's a bull flag and the bull flag breaks out to the upside, right? That's what we're projecting right now. We're probably looking for price to go sideways here, right?
Yeah. It might even dip a little bit.
Might even come down a little bit to the bottom of this flag, touch the 21, chop out sideways a little bit, and then break out.
Amen.
I mean, if it breaks this low, guess what? I'm buying more. I'm buying more Bitcoin.
Honestly, it's kind of interesting to see the price action in Bitcoin the past few days, especially since the Fed's rate decision, and watching people pull money out of large cap stocks and start to put them into small cap equities. Like literally, Tesla, all those magnificent seven, the S&P 500 lost all its gains since the Fed rate decision. Meanwhile, all these small cap biotechs, oil stocks, all these little itty bitty tiny market cap companies are just starting to go up again. It's beautiful to see.
Yeah, I mean, the meme coins have been paying. That's the thing. So, and the thing is a lot of people are buying meme coins. They're not the people that would be trading them, you know? They're the kind of people that just hold on to their coins forever.
My
and
grandma
never sell.
My grandma put her whole retirement into a meme coin, yo.
Yeah, I got paid. Grandma was exit liquidity.
Sorry, grandma.
Sorry, Grandma. Just hodl.
Yeah, just hold that back.
Grandma's still holding Safe Moon.
Yeah, maybe. What is going on with you two? Stop it.
Yeah, what is going on there?
I don't know, something. I don't know exactly what happened, but these dogs,
Was it
man.
looping? It stuck?
No. One dog went after the other dog. I didn't exactly see what happened. What do you mean looping?
It's stuck on my video that we did our
On the live stream?
yeah.
There's no way.
I don't know. Maybe because I don't know.
I'm going to it right now.
People that just hold on to their coins forever.
No, you're good.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on your end, but we're good on our end. Like the stream's good.
Yeah, my YouTube is fucked up.
Like I literally was just playing that. I could be wrong, but
Yeah, it's weird. It still has the cup and handle chart from the last stream.
I mean, this is what you're sharing.
Grandma's still holding. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why. And then Jesus.
So
I thought I had the other chart up.
oh damn. Oh damn. Here we go.
Yeah.
Boom,
Have another
bada,
beer, right?
Who, me? You?
Have another
I'm drinking tequila.
me? I guess so. I was talking about that. Oh my god. I was talking about Bitcoin and yeah, we didn't have any of that up. Oh my god. But yeah,
they get it. They get it. They'll see this now and be like, "Ah, that's what he was talking about."
yeah, we're talking about that low.
Yeah,
Taking out this. The stop loss is there. Right? That's the hypothesis that if we can hold this 786, right? Because we already outlined that.
Yeah, you
Right.
had that basic B chart up.
If that holds, you can put your stop loss right there. Bull run is back on. But if that breaks, expect like 48K.
Yeah. It's time.
Or 38K, sorry.
It's time to find yourself a girlfriend with a septum piercing because the bull run is back on.
That's it. Quit your job at McDonald's. It's time to rock and roll.
Nice. Oh, dude, working for McDonald's has to be horrible. I can only imagine. I have my misgivings.
I wouldn't even.
Yeah. I mean, I have my.
I wouldn't even waste no time.
Yeah, I have my misgivings, and I'm working for like a legitimate roofing company. 401k, all the bennies, but it's I can't even imagine having to go work for Mickey D's or the BK or the heaven forbids the Taco Bell.
Yeah, well, I mean, if you gotta hustle, you gotta hustle, right?
Oh yeah, I'd be hustling with the best of them, man. I'd be down there whipping up chalupas and quesadillas, some fajitas.
And I'd be ripping the pen in the back. That's it. That's the only way you can do it.
I think you would have to at that point, right?
Right? Oh man, if you ain't smoking, how do you even do it? Shout out to all them fast food workers out there.
Hell yeah, overworked, underpaid, dealing with the public on a daily basis. Woo! Salute to you.
I would quit on day one.
Yep.
Go
to the nearest landfill and say, "Hey, give me a shovel." I'd rather work with the trash than deal with the trash, if you know what I'm saying.
I'd just go panhandle in the parking lot. You make more money that way.
Oh, not up here in Connecticut lately. Not in the region I'm in, dude. Yeah, those panhandlers.
Why, you got personal experience?
No, they're not making that money up here, man. Not in Willimantic. Oh, I just gave away. Yeah, screw it. Not where I'm at, outside of
No, dude, you just gotta change up your game, brother. You just doing it all wrong.
Yeah,
You just gotta change the game.
Yep. Babysit for a nice couple. Bring their children with you when you're panhandling. Bring your dog and your animals with you. Like, you know,
Yeah,
tug on people's heartstrings.
that's how I do it, right?
Oh. Oh my God. Okay. You want to talk about my 90? Actually, it's 100% holding now. So my Western Digital and my fuel cell options did not work out today. They
Oh yeah.
they expired worthless. So now I'm into Supercom. Oh, don't even bother. Don't even bother looking at that. Just go to SPCB. SPCB. Supercom. Oh yeah. That is 100% holding right now. Let's not look at that 1 year chart, bro. That's just demoralizing. Oh, hate to see it.
What? That's a 4-hour chart.
What?
That's a 4-hour chart.
Is it really? No way.
Yeah.
But Jesus.
Yeah, look at those. Look at that SR flip.
Look at those gaps, bro. Look at those gaps. That gap's gonna fill right up there. That one right up there. See it?
I doubt it. No. It's just gonna keep going down. It broke below this, like it was like setting resistance for a while, and it broke below it. Now it's come up, and it's like, nah, we're going lower.
Why don't we just like
Nah, we're going lower.
just zoom in on the 1 week, the last week.
That's what's gonna happen, dude.
I still see a little bit of upside in that sketch.
There's a little bit. You can get a little bit, but make sure you get the hell out before it goes into negative $1.50.
Oh, dude, just zoom in on the 1 week. Just show the past week.
The week.
I mean, this is a bottom play.
All right.
Through and through. This is
the weekly.
Is it? Nice. That actually looks
Dude,
good.
Imagine, dude.
I see.
Yeah. Oh, it could go back to $5,000.
That is not the weekly, bro. You were bringing me back all the way to 2005 right now. Oh, since their issue, I wish, man. If that went back to $2,000, I would quit my job on Monday.
Oh man, well, that looks like a meme coin to me.
Yeah, it's not good. They just recently had another reverse split. It's obviously they've had a couple since their IPO. This is an Israeli cyber defense, cybersecurity stock. It tends to go parabolic. Anytime something crazy happens in Israel. I mentioned this at the very beginning of the stream. But yeah, I doubled down today. I was already 99.5% into it. My other options expired worthless. And I said, you know what? Let's do the intelligent thing here and put everything on red. Oh, so
you bought more of this?
Yep, 100%. And I'm holding over the weekend with zero shame. Zero shame, Corey.
Why not just buy like the NASDAQ or something, you know?
The NASDAQ and the SPY were down today.
How much? Shh. I mean, yeah, today probably wasn't. You should just wait, for a day where it's like down and then buy it. You don't have to buy it the same day you get your money,
Well, basically, buy it today. I should have bought the NASDAQ and the S&P today because they were down.
Well, no, I mean, I feel like we're gonna get a really nice correction.
Oh, 100%.
Sometime soon.
100%.
And I hope, and anybody who's watching, I mean, this is not financial advice. We're not financial advisors. It's not going to tell you how to. Everything we do here we only give examples with the demo trading account. We're not even showing you how to push the real button because we aren't even doing that. SEC,
Nope.
FBI, yeah, we're not doing that.
CIA.
We're just simply, yeah, we're not even showing our trades. So we're just chilling.
We don't.
Right? So
we really don't.
you know,
We just show you charts.
but yeah, we're not financial advisors. Yeah, so
Everything I said is
I forget
BS.
where I was.
I'm completely broke. I don't have a grand to throw on the stock market.
But, you know, if I was smart and if I was financially literate, I would be taking my money right now and stacking it and preparing to buy a big correction that's coming because it's coming. We're just waiting. You know? And I mean, you can I put my money into gold and silver, physical gold and silver, right?
Yep.
And you know, have some cash, right? And then minimum 10,000 euros, right?
What?
Minimum.
What?
Yeah, and 10,000 euros. I want you to have 5,000 pound, like British pounds. Yeah, I mean, you taking this serious or what?
Oh, I mean, the US dollar is so much better than almost every other world currency at the moment. I feel like if you were going to buy anything, you should be buying BRICS currencies. The Vietnamese dong, the
You
Egyptian.
should buy the Iraqi dinar.
Yup,
You know?
yup, 100%.
How many times have you heard that one?
Dude, there's this woman. Oh, she works at a store near me, and she keeps talking about how there's going to be some kind of currency reset and how I should be buying the Vietnamese dong and the Iraqi dinar, and I'm going to be a millionaire if I do. And every time I see her, she's like,
You know how many
it's happening
how many
soon.
years have been talking about that, dude? Like this is like the scam. They've been playing this scam for like years. Like I guess yeah, a sucker is born every day, but like all you need to do is go look into the history of the internet.
Yep.
Like, oh wait, no, they've been doing this for a while.
And I mean,
No, it's been a scam for a while.
if you are going to buy those questionable currencies, and you're not going to use like an actual established forex trading platform, you should probably just buy the physical currency, because then at least when you lose all your money, you can have that worthless paper in your hands.
You could say I at least put my money into this.
Yeah.
You could show somebody, you know, like see this pile of trash.
Oh,
Spent $2,000 on that one day.
you can use it.
That was gonna be something.
You can use it to start a
Instead,
fire.
they just reevaluated the whole world currency to a digital currency because you know they rather track, trace, and tax everything you do. Why would they reevaluate a paper currency? Come on, man. Come on, man. We got it all on the cell phones.
Oh man, good times. Woo.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
So it's Friday night.
I expect if anything happens with this whole Middle East war over the weekend, basically my exit point on this is
Demonetized.
anything above where we're at now.
Shouldn't say the W word.
What's that?
But the W word, the war.
Oh, I mean everybody knows.
I mean, yeah, I mean we're kind of
conflict.
anticipating it.
The conflict.
Conflict is the technical term.
Yeah, police action. You know, that sort of thing. What is this?
So I mean, the NQ still looking good.
Ooh, damn.
I mean,
now that's a chart right there.
I just average into the Nasdaq. That's why I mean, if you if you don't know anything as to what to do, the way I would start, the way I started, I'm not a financial advisor. I would just average into the Nasdaq. It's easy, right?
Yeah.
You can easily set up an account and easily start doing that, and all it does is go up. Right now, that sounds like, you know, sounds like crap, but I mean that's all it does. It goes up. That's
But
it. I mean, you want to pick an asset?
from 2022 to 2023, it went down.
Oh yeah, but what happens if you sold in 2023?
I mean, yeah, you got screwed.
Yeah, you have been an idiot. Yeah. Oh, it's going down. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna short. Dude, all of it's only gone up. Nah, it's going down now, dude.
I can
Nah,
feel it.
this is different. It's different this time. How many times have you heard that? It's different this time. No, not different. Still going up.
Yeah, on average. Yep. And I mean, honestly, these ETFs, all these major index funds are probably still going to keep going up into the elections. So, just saying, probably. I mean, we saw a correction due to, a large gap overreaction on the Fed rate decision. And that gap is filled now. So, is that
That's it,
is that
right?
is that Aerodrome?
Yeah, why don't we get into some
Ooh.
altcoins, right? Really, I mean, if Bitcoin decides to dump it, all this is just gonna follow, right? So I mean, we are making higher lows, but
Ooh.
we are. I mean, it's kind of following Bitcoin, right? If Bitcoin decides to turn on us right now, it's gonna turn on us here and probably come back down to the bottom of this range. Something to look at, right? Always something to look at. Like I said already, I took my profits on Aerodrome.
Yeah.
So if it decides to retrace and come back to 786, isn't that a coincidence, right? That's confluence.
Yeah.
Right back to the bottom of the range, right?
Like your own mother in the
Be pretty much
like your own mother in the shower. It's something to look at.
right back down. Right back down. So, yeah. I mean, so really, before we even get into the altcoins, if Bitcoin decides to retrace, all this is just gonna be meh. It's not gonna. It's gonna follow Bitcoin. It's gonna dump.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter how bullish the setup is. It's gonna dump unless it's an outlier. Take notes of those outliers, right?
That's honestly huge. If you can
On
find cryptocurrencies that go up when Bitcoin goes down, like you can literally give
stock
yourself,
scanner.
yeah, you can give yourself an opportunity to make money when everybody else is losing money.
So yeah, we got this W right here.
Bonk
You know what a W stands for?
winning.
Yeah, that's a win, baby. I think I might I'm gonna buy some bonk right now. This is a high risk. I'm gonna tell you that right now. This is one of those coins where Bitcoin dumps. This could just pump. It's a meme coin, right? Look how many zeros. I mean, come on. All you have to look is how many zeros are in it, right? People are people are out there holding this and like, dude, if it goes to 1 penny, dude, if it goes to 1 penny, can you imagine, dude, when bonk hits 1 penny? Meanwhile, I'm selling at 20%. Higher lows, right?
Damn,
It's a weird chart, right?
that is, yeah,
It's a weird.
I mean, it's still a good chart. Like if that was the stock, I would be like, yeah, I'm all in.
Hits the 886. So a lot of the altcoins and the meme coins, they'll go to the 886 instead of the 786. Something to put in your notes.
Write that down.
Something to write down. So Yeah, a lot of them will go to the A86, retrace a little deeper. So that's an 88% retrace. Bonk, that's one. Brett. So there's a lot of different Bretts. Make sure you gotta. There's Brett on Sol. There's Brett on ETH. Right? You gotta make sure you know what you're doing. Look at this flag, though, right? If we were playing this flag and everybody's expecting it, those who don't see it, right? The little flag right here broke out. If it could break out, right? And I'm looking at it, right? And we looked at it last time. That's 786 retracement from this little wick low to the high. Boom. 786, and we got the W. Look at that W in there. Kind of a weird one, though. Kind of a weird looking W. Brett, I'm bullish on Brett. I mean, Solana. I mean, all the Solana meme coins right now. Easy, easy. If you want to print some money, go get some Solana meme coins. It's not financial advice, but if you want to get some free money printing, jump onto that easy Solana meme coin. All right, so Solana pumping, descending triangle, right? Same thing with the inverse pattern, right? An ascending triangle usually breaks down to the origin 68% of the time, right? But since this is a descending triangle, it's going to break to the upside, right? Same thing. Every pattern I show you on this channel, right? It's going to work for the inverse. So if it's a bullish pattern, flip it upside down, it's going to work for the same thing if you see it in the bearish pattern, right? Boom. What you got there?
I just bought $350 a bonk.
Bonk.
In a demo
Yes.
in a demo trading account in Minecraft. I didn't actually buy it.
Yeah, that's a demo account. It's not a real account. But so yeah, following which, so Solana meme coins are huge this cycle. Just the same, like, remember when Binance meme coins were so huge? What happened to Binance? Skyrocketed, right? Because you have to buy the Binance coin to be able to buy the meme coin on the DEX, right? Thus doing so will automatically pump the price of Solana, right? Because they have to buy Solana to buy the Solana meme coins, right? That's the only way they can operate on the Solana network. You have to buy Solana, thus, increasing the price, supply and demand.
Amen, brother.
So yeah, Solana. I got 10 Solana, just for ha-has in my long term.
Yes.
I would suggest, at least getting 10 Solana, at least getting 10. What about BNB, right? I don't think we talk about a lot of BNB.
No, we haven't talked about Binance
Speaking
coin,
of Binance,
at all on our streams. Like
yeah, I'll hold. I got five BNB just sitting because there's another exchange coin which is, big,
damn.
really big, and
That chart looks a lot like the
they
Bitcoin
have
chart.
exactly right. So a lot of these, a lot of these charts, they're gonna be following Bitcoin. Bitcoin decides to boom, expect Binance coin to boom, expect Solana go boom. A lot of these things are gonna follow.
Bonk.
Right? So Bonk, yeah. Bonk is a new one, so I could see that one doing damage. Just like Andy, just like Brett, just like Whiff, right? Just like
I mean, Bonk is on Coinbase, so I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say it's that new. It's on.
Yeah, that one's kind of. I think I want. I want to just say off the top of my head. I'm pretty sure it's ERC20.
I could
Yeah,
ERC20.
pretty sure it's ERC. So it's an Ethereum. So I think it's on Uniswap.
I mean, it's also on Coinbase. It's on several centralized exchanges.
Number 57. Wow.
Number 57 on what?
Yeah, on market cap, total market cap for all crypto.
That's wild. 1.2 billion.
Isn't that? Yeah, I mean, let me bring this up.
I think it's deflationary too.
Bring it up. So yeah, they have nothing on the max supply. You see that?
It's 93 billion on the max supply,
Oh
which is
yeah,
also
but
the total supply.
max supply. So we don't know about that. Some Binance. Oh, don't know.
Oh, it is deflationary too.
Solana, I think.
What, Bonk?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it just says it led to. I don't know if it really led to that. Main goal of the team is to bring back liquidity to the Solana-based decentralized exchanges. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Solana.
It's on Solana, Polygon, BNB,
But
Ethereum,
it
Arbitrum.
has an Ethereum contract.
Yeah, it's on
See
everything.
that?
It's on the BNB
Yeah.
Smart Chain.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Okay, so everybody who doesn't know is like just into crypto right now. This is a coin market cap right here on the left side. You're gonna get all your information under contracts here, under addresses. Yeah, if you just got information about a new coin and you want to make sure you got the right address, you're gonna come to coin market cap. You're gonna look for the contract address right here. Right? And you're gonna go to the exchange, right? Whether on Binance or Radium or Uniswap, you know, Sui Network, right? I was going to
Sweet.
Sui Network. I'd copy this address right here, and then when I go to Sui Network, I'm gonna paste that address, and it's gonna bring up Bonk. You're gonna see that that's the correct price with the correct crypto. So there's a lot of imitation cryptos, especially when something new is coming out. Remember Gronk? Remember that one?
Oh yeah,
How many Gronks were there? It was like 20 Gronks.
the
You
Gronks.
couldn't figure out what. And if you bought the wrong one, guess what? You're not getting gains. So make sure you get the right contract address. And the way you do that is on CoinMarketCap right here. Use this tool because this tool is powerful. Write that down. If you don't have this down, write it down right now. Write it down. Right. So Bonk, right? Remember, I was talking about PayPay. This is something that Da Vinci was shilling for a little while. I made a little bit of money. Let me just look at it real quick. Once again, another Ethereum. So Ethereum, is going to be working on Uniswap because ERC20. So see, right? Uniswap, first one that comes up. You're going to know this, right? So if you were trying to buy something that was on the Cardano network, you're not going to be going to Uniswap, right? Because Cardano, right? You're trying to operate Mac and on Windows. You can't do it. Palm AI. What do you think about Palm AI here?
I was just writing down some notes about all this stuff. Got some good notes here.
55 cents, huh? Look at that. Dang, son.
Dang.
Yeah, everything has been going up.
Yeah.
I think we talked about Palm in the last one.
That looks like a giant
But yeah,
cup and hand. That doesn't look as good.
another one. Yeah, well, let's pull it up on the charts.
You backed up and it looks
Right, let's see
horrible.
what Palm.
Like it looked good before, but now since you backed up, it doesn't look good.
This is kind of looking like I'm gonna get some Palm AI. That's what it's looking like.
Yeah. Go another 20% gain there. You've been hitting those 20.
Yeah, that's looking like Brett. It's looking like what all these other meme coins have the same three lows, right? These three lows, higher lows, but then they also have these. It looks like this one's making a higher high right now. See that, right? And it's got the W, another W. You got this similar pattern on a lot of these coins that we just pulled up, right? We looked at it, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to tell you to do what you're going to do, but it's looking like a good idea to buy some crypto right now. What do you think, Mike?
I think I'm down 20 cents since I bought some. 10 minutes ago. No, I think Palm AI does look like a nice 20-30% ringer right now. Like if you were to hold into the end, basically the end of the weekend. I mean, this thing looks like it's ready to just pop.
Let's all right, so let's do this. We're live on stream right now. I mean, everything's breaking out right now. It's not really the best time to buy.
No.
Everything's kind of like green.
Yeah.
That looks like it's about. This is a rising wedge. It looks like it could go parabolic.
But it also could easily just as likely go the other way.
Could go back down to the bottom of the range, right? Do this, and this would be our buy. Right? That would be the area to go. But you could just be a degenerate right now too, and also just buy and say screw it.
Now you're speaking my language.
Is everything else going up, right?
You're speaking my language.
Yeah, let's do it. No. I mean, yeah, it would be. It would be the responsible thing to chill because everything is kind of like chilling out right now.
Yeah, dude, it's a Friday night. It's a Friday night. You want to go to bed. You want to just be able to relax.
That's what I think it's gonna do.
Some technical analysis right there.
Yeah, we should have bought Palm AI. Should have bought it the other day when we were on stream. I think we were talking about it too.
Yeah, but I mean, we were bringing up the fact that they literally are just stealing the Google name. So I mean, it's
yeah. There's a lot of meme coins that are doing that, but we
Gronk.
don't care. We're just making our money anyways.
Yeah, the Gronk crypto.
Gronk has been our one.
That's been a huge moneymaker several times over. Like you literally could have bought at a penny, sold at 2, bought at a penny a month later, sold at 2 a week later. It's insane.
Yeah, I don't like buying green candles, Mike. That's the thing.
Oh, I don't.
I want to get some.
I don't blame you.
Palm AI, but I'm not gonna buy it right now.
I definitely don't blame you, man.
So this is like we're talking about on stream. It's tempting to buy because I'm bullish on this product. I want to get some, but right now with what Bitcoin's doing, it's at the midpoint of the range. It's like the worst place to take it. Don't take a trade here. Just we don't give advice, but if you're gonna do what I was gonna do, I wouldn't take a trade here. It's just like the worst place, right? Yeah, it looks bullish. Yeah, it could go crazy, and yeah, it might be wrong, but wouldn't it be better if we just wait and get confirmation? Right? Boom. That easy, right? Oh, oh my God, it's gonna move a couple $1,000 without me. But now I get more information, and now I know, oh, it's actually gonna go in the direction I thought it was gonna go. Okay, now we can make some money. Okay, now we're not gonna risk small amounts to try and make big amounts, right? No, we're not gonna risk big amounts to try and make small amounts. I said that wrong.
I know what you meant.
But yeah, we're watching this cup and handle. Maybe it's gonna break out. Who knows? Maybe we're actually gonna get Pumptober. Who knows, right?
Keep your eye on it.
And 30 days from now, we're gonna be at price disco.
Do they literally
knows?
call it that? Pumptober?
Yeah, Pumptober.
What do they call November?
November.
Bag holder.
Yeah, bag holder gets the
Shaft.
shoulder boulder holder over the boulder shoulder holder.
I mean, that doesn't sound horrible. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh no. But yeah. Any stocks you want to go over?
Honestly, I have a whole collection of bottom plays. I think I should probably focus on the ones that are going to benefit the most. So ATOSA, ATOS, that's a biotech. That's one of the ones. So biotech is going to benefit huge from this interest rate hike, right? So like,
All right, you got this for a second.
yeah. So biotech in general is going to benefit huge from this interest rate. I said hike, but the correction, this interest rate cut. So a lot of people have jumped out of biotech in the past couple of years with interest rates skyrocketing. They said, "Hey, we'll just throw our money into bonds, get that 6-7% per year, and that's good enough. We're happy with that." Biotechs have been getting hammered. Small caps have been getting hammered. So I have a few sectors for this new interest rate downgrades that I think would benefit. And biotech's one of them. Lithium is another. But for now, we'll just go over one of these generic biotechs that I'm currently following. And ATOSA is one of them. They're trying to cure cancer, like many biotechs. But as you can see, they're already
Biotech.
Yeah, biotechs. Basically, they're just all making different medications and trying to get FDA approval and hoping for the best. The established ones tend to have less than stellar returns, whereas if you can pick the right small cap biotech, you can 10 times your money in a month. It's insane. So it's just
Sounds like meme coins.
it kind of is for the stock market, yeah. Yeah, but I mean, this is one of those situations where if you're, pouring 25% of your portfolio into biotech, you could easily, split that up between 10 different stocks, and you only need 3 to win.
25.
Yep. If you were going to put 25% of your portfolio into biotech, you could split that 25% into 10 different stocks, and you only need 3 to win. Because when they do win, they usually win freaking big. So I'm just illustrating ATOSA because this is one of the ones that stands the most to benefit from the current favorable market conditions. I also have a nice lithium stock to highlight too. But if you want to do some TNA on this chart,
Yeah. ATOSA looks like it's actually making some moves here.
Yeah.
But yeah, what was the next one?
ALTM, Arcadium Lithium. It is a beautiful lithium mining stock. So this is the result of two companies merging together. So lithium got battered. Lithium prices on the foreign exchange markets absolutely hammered with the electric car revolution. Basically, a bunch of companies started mining lithium. It became incredibly cheap to get lithium. Therefore, very few mining companies are actually staying profitable mining lithium. So a bunch of small ones have had to shut down. So companies like Arcadian Lithium that can remain profitable even with these rock bottom prices, still profitable. They're the ones that are going to benefit the most, like an insane amount. This company's fair book value is $14 a share. $14 a share. What do you think about that, Crypto Corey?
I mean, even go back to the so this is a falling wedge, like we were talking about. You just go back to the top of the falling wedge. I mean, you're talking about a 3x right there.
Yeah, yeah, and
Easy right. Yeah.
they were,
This is a 1 to 3 risk to ratio rate, you know.
and this is a company that was listed for $15 a share a couple of years ago, less than a couple of years.
So I mean, lithium. Come on, folks. Let's think about it. Let's put two and two together here. Do you think? I mean, there's probably other lithium companies out there, but I think this is probably a good play. I mean, do you think it'll go to zero? I don't know, but lithium, electronic cars,
Hmm.
green energy. Yeah, I think it's good play. You know, and if we have a stock evaluation price at what, $15,
Yeah, fair
aim for
book value.
7. We take our money at 7. We take our money. That's it.
Hell yeah.
And we'll leave everybody hanging on, waiting for that 15. We're gonna move on at 7. That's it. So yeah, we're gonna watch that. I'd say it's good play. Arcadium lithium. Target's $7.20. Let's put alert on that. Boom. So you don't even need to set. I mean, it's too complicated. Setting stop losses with the limit orders and the take profits. Just come in here. Come into trading view. Draw a line and put alert on it. That easy.
Yeah, I mean, these lithium prices are approaching the 2020 low. And I mean, it is insane to see with basically almost every other commodity outperforming. Makes no sense. So I think it's definitely way overdue for a bounce here. Like when lithium prices go up, the stock will follow. If not, lead the way.
Arcadium.
Yep. Beautiful stock.
What else we got?
I mean, I've mentioned BlackBerry, I've mentioned Kodak, Zemetica. I've mentioned all those. I don't know if you want to necessarily check in on BlackBerry, see what it's been doing. It looks pretty bad.
Yeah, it's just been going down.
Yeah, I mean they're going to be profitable. The last quarter of 2024 is basically what they said in their last earnings call. It's what they've said in actually a couple of their past earnings calls, that 2025 is going to be basically their breakout year for profits. I like them only because they have a massive federal government contract for emergency communications for basically the majority of the federal government in the United States. So, I mean, cybersecurity, that's big. They're not selling phones anymore, for anybody that's wondering. So that's why I'm just long on BlackBerry in general. Like I'm telling people, like if you want one long-term stock to buy into, and I've told several friends, BlackBerry is going to be, some serious income potential. So, I mean, you don't.
I mean, yeah, we can frame easy 1 to 5 right there. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, if it just follows that W pattern, goes back up to where it was before.
That's almost a 1 to 10. Yeah, that's almost a 1 to 10 right there.
Yeah, it's a
Come
beautiful
on
thing.
now.
Beautiful thing. I like
But
the $2 calls for January 2026. If it does make the move that Corey is illustrating, instead of making 40 cents per share, you're going to be making, hundreds of dollars per contract. Just throwing that out there. Not financial advice.
well, yeah, I don't know what's going on. Now, you also have to take into consider the risk. Did you consider the risk?
Oh,
That's the big thing. FBI,
yep.
SEC.
CIA.
Did you consider the risk?
I mean, they didn't. They don't care. They got a cushy.
This whole podcast, it comes with a risk warning. We have a whole risk warning. You need to make sure you do your own research.
Oh yeah, no, we're just talking about our demo accounts. That's why it's so easy for me to just buy some bonk. I'm using paper money. Just this money doesn't exist.
Yeah. So BlackBerry.
Yep. BlackBerry.
I don't know what was there. What went on with Orange, right? I think we talked about in the last stream.
Yes, yeah, that was one of the ones. I have a whole list of your altcoins, bro, right here. And Orange was the first one you covered. I wrote it down on a napkin, not a cocktail napkin, a gas station napkin, because that's how I roll.
Hasn't moved like the other ones.
That you know what that means, man.
So
it's ready to freaking launch.
Right. I mean, that looks like a 786, right? You just look at it.
I'm seeing higher lows. I'm seeing a wedge. It's coming up to that pivot point, and it's probably gonna pivot up. Probably.
So that's 786. Yeah. That's the one that hasn't moved yet.
Hey,
I'm expecting, I mean, we're going to get a little pullback here, but then everything's going to start chugging along. Well, wouldn't that be nice if we can get some aerodrome at 58 cents again? Whew.
Do you really think that's gonna happen though? You think it's gonna head to the bottom of
I don't really think
ascending
so.
wedge pattern? You think it's gonna break out
I think
over
things
that?
are going to pump.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it's gonna break out over that wedge pattern and just.
So what's going to happen? All right. Are we prepared for that situation? So, right, if we didn't get the retracement, what are we going to do?
I'm just gonna FOMO, bro. FOMO.
Well,
I'm just gonna FOMO all the money
FOMO, right?
that I took from my grandma into this crypto.
I'm looking for this to go sideways, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to be playing this flag. That's what I'm going to be doing. If it decides to go down further, what's going to happen? I'm going to add. I'm going to buy some more, right? That's it. That's how easy spot trading is. Okay. Oh, if it goes down, well, I'm not going to get liquidated. Unless it gets rug pulled.
Hey, Grandma, can I borrow some money to pay my cell phone bill? And then you just let that cell phone.
No, dude, you just wait.
Yep. Let that cell phone bill lapse and just
Wait.
buy airdrome.
Or you can have patience, right? We talk about patience in the market. Well, there's patience. So like when your grandmother goes to sleep, she leaves her pocket. No, I'm not.
We're totally joking, people.
We're not gonna condone it. Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
No,
my
patience.
grandma's not even alive.
Patience.
By the way.
Yeah.
God bless your soul. Don't steal money from grandma.
Don't do it.
Right?
Don't do it.
You can just tell her like you're trying to get a place. We want a PlayStation 4.
She'll give you money.
And really, you're just gonna buy Bitcoin and lose. So really, you get nothing.
Oh,
It's like you're a drug addict before you're not even doing drugs.
oh man.
You lose everything, but yeah,
Yep.
you thought you were gonna get it all, but
Listen.
instead you bought crypto.
No. Let's patience. Corey was talking about patience before we got off on this tangent. It's important to think about that. Always remember patience. Watch how the price action's moving. Watch the charts. Find yourself that nice entry point. Obviously, the chart's never gonna look like that.
I think it's gonna go that way. But
I see upside there, so that's fine.
yeah, I'm looking at higher lows, and unless that's broken,
Yep.
I mean we're on track.
Might get a
That's
nice
all I gotta say about that.
nice retracement to the 58-cent level, and then boom, bada bing.
I took like I think this is like third, fourth time I said it, but I took my profits on my crypto trades already. So I mean, if it keeps going, who cares? I'll find another one.
Right?
But
Abundance theory.
that's how we do it. We're just paying ourselves. Learn how to do it. Right? It's gonna
Amen.
get easier the more you do it.
That it is. Oh, good times. Grandma's pocketbook. Oh God.
Yeah,
Oh.
I know. You gotta do what you gotta do.
This is the no judgment zone over here at Manic Money.
You know, yeah, it's not a good idea to steal money from your grandma to buy Bitcoin.
No, definitely.
Because then Bitcoin's just gonna steal your money.
I know that chart looks beautiful though. Where we got that looks like what?
There's something going on there.
Is that the 10-day bouncing off of the
That's
50-day or the 200-day?
See, we gotta get back above that 200 on the daily. Remember that?
Oh yes.
We had that crossover here. We almost got back above, and then it said no.
Nope.
But can we do it? Right? Can we do it?
Liquidation.
That's the big question. Boom. Get ready to get liquidated. We're coming for your stops here, and we're coming here for your stops here. We're coming your stops here and here, and then we're going every which way. Probably like this is what's gonna happen, right? It's gonna go boom, whoop. Right. That's what it's gonna do.
Expert.
Screenshot that. Right.
Expert technical analysis. It's gonna go back in time to go parabolic.
Sure. Yeah, it's gonna go. It's actually gonna go so fast down. It's gonna go back in time to go up. See that? That curve? That's we call that an inverse parabolic curve because it completely bends your brain.
Oh, seriously, we
It was supposed to go up to here, but it didn't. It dropped here and took your stop loss, and then it went up. You woke up in the morning, you're like, "Oh my god, I'm in profit," and then you look, "No, dude, you got stopped out."
Oh man, I see what you did there. I mean, honestly, that could happen. It could obviously just
Happens all the time.
do a drop and then a parabolic rise. It's not going to look quite like this chart. This is something out of a fever dream, but
It's probably more like this, like.
Oh yeah,
yeah, something like that.
That looks good. That looks good. The check mark, I love it.
Perfect.
Perfect.
That looks perfect. Yeah. I'm actually gonna call it. That's what we're looking. That's the projection. Take a screenshot. Add your notes.
140,000. Bitcoin.
Yeah, we're taking these stop losses, and then we're going.
No,
Boom.
that looks pretty accurate. That looks like how Bitcoin likes to operate.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it that way, and that's how it's gonna be.
Yep.
We'll see.
Wipe out the stop losses and just go absolutely parabolic. Double the price within several months.
Boom! In 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Ooh.
2 weeks. Yeah, it's gonna
Hot.
completely melt faces.
Dude, if you're dude, if this crazy prediction is right.
That'd be funny, right?
Oh, yeah, more than funny. You'll become the new crypto god.
Become Crypto Corey.
I mean, you're already crypto Corey.
Right? And it's gonna round down and it's gonna come back to this top here. Right? And it's gonna chop around.
Choppy.
That's what's gonna happen.
Super choppy.
And it's gonna go in crazy all-time high.
Honestly, it's kind of overdue as
All right.
you know. But yeah. Boom.
I think that's what it's gonna do.
That's the call. Write it down, put it in your notebooks. I threw my notebook. But yeah, I wrote it all down.
That's when it goes to $250,000 per coin.
That's what everybody's been calling.
Yeah, that's in the future. That's in 2028. 2020, yeah, 2028.
Sounds good.
$250,000 Bitcoin in 2028. Remember this clip. We're gonna save it.
I'm already remembering it.
All right.
Like it just happened 5 minutes ago. Or less than 5 minutes ago.
All right. So congratulations, Corey. This is, I know it's been 4 years from now, but we called it, right? It's 2028 and now Bitcoin is at $240,000. Congratulations, right? We called it. We called it.
Oh man.
That's it. Yeah. Bring it back.
Don't have to work no more.
Oh, wait, no, this is 2024. Bitcoin's only at $62,000, $63,000. No. Wouldn't that be funny? Yeah, we're gonna just have that as a clip. That'll be later on. You'll see.
Oh yeah. No, we'll be dropping it. We'll be dropping it in the new Discord server. 100%. So how are you feeling about doing like a small account challenge again? I know we had started that back a while back, but I was thinking about that last stream.
Do the demo account.
Yeah, that's just
Small demo account.
exactly. Like we'll just throw $15 a week into a trading account of any kind. I mean, we could both go diversified stocks or crypto, or we could go 100% into one thing. It doesn't really matter. No rules. The only rule would be $15 a week, and we'll literally post screenshots and show our progress. Show people how
Thanks.
huh?
I like that.
Right? Like we could just throw $15 a
that.
week and show people how, like, literally, if you're making very little money, you could put $15 a week into a trading account, and you could, meh.
Hey, do what you want to do.
Yeah, I mean, we'll talk about it off stream, of course. We'll cement the details. But it's something.
But yeah, I think it's a good place to leave it off.
Oh yeah, yeah, for 100% for sure. I mean, it's midnight Eastern time right now.
Midnight.
We got a little wacky on this stream. A little wacky.
That's it.
You know, it's a Friday night. It's gonna happen.
We got prediction. That's it.
Huh?
We got our price prediction. It's $240,000
2028
on the year 2028. Yeah.
Nice. I'm digging
That's it.
I'm digging it
140,000
this year.
this cycle. That's it.
It's a beautiful thing. Sounds
All right, y'all. Well, this has been a good stream.
Hell
Hope y'all
to the
taking it easy for this weekend. Right, we're gonna get another stream on Monday. Make sure you're tuned in for that.
8 p.m. Eastern.
I'm Crypto Corey, and it's my Mike.
Yeah. Happy trading.
We'll catch you in the next stream. Yeah. Take it easy.